Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The solubility of alcohols in water depends on the balance between the hydrophilic hydroxyl or group and the hydrophobic alkyl chain. As the length of the carbon chain increases, the hydrophobic character of the molecule increases, making the alcohol less soluble in water. Reasoning. All four alcohols contain one OH group, which can form hydrogen bonds with water, contributing to solubility. As the alkyl chain grows longer, the nonpolar hydrocarbon portion dominates, reducing the ability of water molecules to solvate the molecule effectively. Ethanol, 2 carbons completely miscible with water. 1 propanol, 3 carbons highly soluble in water. 1 butanol, 4 carbons moderately soluble, 7.7 G/100 ml at 20 degrees Celsius. 1 pentanol, 5 carbons least soluble among the 4, 2.2 G/100 ml at 20 degrees Celsius, because the longer nonpolar chain overwhelms the polar OH group's ability to interact with water. Why other options fail? Ethanol, A, is completely miscible with water, most soluble. 1 propanol, B, is highly soluble, second most soluble. 1 butanol, C, is less soluble than propanol but more soluble than 1 pentanol. 1 pentanol, D, has the longest carbon chain and therefore the greatest hydrophobic character, making it the least soluble. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.